Is your Windows PC running out of space? Don't just delete files. Optimize smartly. In this quick guide, I'll show you the difference between disk cleanup and storage sense, and how to use both to keep your system fast, clean, and clutter-free. Hello everyone, Jerry Rawlik here. Welcome to Wandering Through Windows, where we explore the settings, features, and hidden corners of Windows that help you shape your PC into something that, well, something that truly feels your own. Have you ever wondered what a button does, how to personalize your desktop, or how to make Windows work better for you? You are in the right place. In today's video, I'll be exploring Disk Cleanup, a built-in Windows utility that frees up disk space and improves performance by removing unnecessary system and temporary files. So come along with this nice old man as I show you how it works, how it compares to Windows' more modern Storage Sense tool, and which one is best for your workflow. If you find this video useful, please give it a like, leave a comment, share it with someone you know, and subscribe to the channel. It would be much appreciated. With that said, let's dive in and start wandering. Disk Cleanup is the classic Windows utility that's been around for decades. It scans your system for files that are safe to delete. Things like temporary files, thumbnails, and leftover Windows Update data. Even though it's old, it still gives you deep manual control over system cleanup and recovering storage space. Disk Cleanup is part of Windows Legacy Control Panel, and accessing it can take a few clicks. Although there are a few ways to open Disk Cleanup, the fastest is to search for it from the Start menu. Another quick way is to use the Run command, like this. Press the Win plus R keys to bring up the command box, type clean mgr, and click OK. A dialog box appears giving you a choice of which drive to clean. By default, that will be your C drive. Click OK to access the utility. Once opened, you'll see a list of file categories you can remove, along with how much space each one uses. Simply check the boxes for the files you wish to delete, then click OK. For a deeper clean, click Clean Up System Files. This unlocks additional options like old Windows updates, previous Windows installations, and system logs, which can free up even more space. After making your selections, click OK to delete. Now, let's look at Storage Sense. You can access this app by pressing the Windows key and typing Storage Settings in the search box. This is Windows 11's modern automated cleanup system. Instead of running manually, Storage Sense works in the background to remove temporary files, empty your recycle bin, and even manage OneDrive space. You can customize Storage Sense to run on a schedule, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when your disk is low on space. You can also choose how long files stay in your recycle bin or your downloads folder before they're removed. This makes it a powerful set it and forget it solution. I did a deep dive into Storage Sense in a previous video, so I won't go into the customization settings here, but I'll leave the link at the end in case you want to learn more. In comparing the two, Disk Cleanup gives you deep manual control. It's perfect for removing Windows Update leftovers or the Windows Old folder after a major update. Storage Sense, on the other hand, is designed for automation. It quietly maintains your system in the background. So, what's the best practice here? Well, the best approach is to use both. Run Disk Cleanup occasionally for deep cleaning, and enable Storage Sense to maintain free space automatically. This combination gives you maximum control plus convenience. Be sure to explore both tools to find out what works best for you. Thanks for joining me, and tune in again when we do another Wander Through Windows. Don't forget to check out the video above to learn more about Storage Sense, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.